Hey guys, this is Jack Later. I'm standing in front of an old pioneer home here in downtown Salt Lake City on Temple Square. Reminds me of some of my own pioneer ancestors that immigrated not only to Utah but many other places like Missouri. And the purpose of this website here is to help you out, to take you step by step, helping you find your own genealogy and to discover your own ancestry. For example, some of my own. Daniel Boon was an ancestor of mine, and I have roots that go back to the Mayflower, 3 great-grandparents specifically, and it's just neat to find stuff like this and of your own ancestors. So anyway, check out this website, and my purpose is to take you step by step to help you to find your own family history and discover some of the neat things that you could find through doing your own family history. I help you through sites like Ancestry.com and FamilySearch.org and Fold3 and many others, and I just take you step by step and help you. So hope you find this website super helpful, and check it out. Talk to you later. Bye.